So Gondo was in love. His name is Gondo, which means eagle. And he was in love. He was in love with the chief's daughter, and her name was Mara. But Gondo was just, a common guy. But he met Mara once and he couldn't talk to her. Boys, what do you do? Why is it that when you meet girls that you like, you don't say it out? It's crazy. But anyway, he saw Mara and he fell in love, but he couldn't tell her. And he was thinking, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? And it troubled him so much. He realized if he didn't do anything about it, it wasn't going to work at all. So he knew about the legend of the spirit of the savannah, and he decided that he was going to take the journey to the spirit of the savannah and ask for a spiritual intervention so that he could get to speak to Mara. So in my country, in our traditional religion, we didn't have churches. People would go under the Mahacha tree, which is a very big tree, and then they would go there during the times of famine, and even when they were just troubled, they would go there and then they would pray. And Musikavanu, which is the name for our God, he would then bless them. And sometimes while they were kneeling there and praying, they would open their eyes and then they would find plates full of food there and they would eat. This is true stuff I'm telling you here. These are not fables. So Gondo knows about this. He has lived it. He has experienced it. So he says, I'm going to make the journey. So he goes to the spirit of the savannah. It's a very long journey, but he makes it. He's a man who's determined. He gets there and he starts worshiping and crying for pleas and pleading with the spirit of the savannah up until he hears a voice from the tree and it says, I've heard you, but do you understand the magnitude of what you're asking here? And Gondo says, I would give my life just for an opportunity to tell Mara how much she means to me. And the spirit say, so be it. There are flashes of thunder and, some rainfalls here and there. And there's a lot of, stuff going on, a whirlwind and so on. And before you know it, Gondo feels like he's floating. And in an instant, he is changed into a bird. And he's very happy because he realized that now he can fly straight to Mara's compound, probably straight through her bedroom window. Okay, fine, not bedroom window. Straight through her living room window. Okay, living room window. Living room window. And then probably wait for her to come out and then tell her how much she means to him, So he does that. But while he's on his way, it starts raining, and the storm starts flashing and he's disoriented because small birds like him, like what he had been turned into, can't fly in the rain. So he thinks to himself, there's a place I used to go with my friends while we're heading cattle. If I go there and perch on the large branch there, I'll be safe because I know the area, right? And then after the storm comes down, I'm going to carry on my journey. So he goes there. And guess what? When he gets there, his friends are already there, but they don't recognize him. They just see potential food, and they have catapults and they start pelting stones at him. And it's like he tries to call out to them, but he realizes, I can't. He can't understand what's going on, but they're seeing a bird and they're thinking, this is a good meal, So he tries dodging successfully, but one stone hits him on the wing and, he's all bloody and he falls down and the guys come for him and they almost get him, but then the spirit again sends a very, huge, lightning and the guys got scared and they ran away. So Gondo is left with a broken wing and he starts walking to Mara's place now. The storm's passed and by the time he gets to a compound, he's all bloody and dirty and he reaches the compound. Some dogs see him, they just bark at him, and Mara hears the dogs barking, and she comes out, and she's a beautiful girl. She's also kind-hearted. She's the full package. So she sees him, and she's like, wow, this is a beautiful bird, And she can tell that this bird loves him somehow. There's something happening. So she picks it up, And when she picks it up, Gondo realizes that this is my moment. This is the time I've been waiting for. And he starts singing for her with his whole heart. And Mara hears, sweet, 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 because Mara can't speak bird. After a while, Gondo realizes he didn't also ask for the gift to be able to communicate with Mara. So he has been granted access to be with her, but he can't tell her how much he loves her. Mara is a nice woman, so she finds a cage. She puts him in the cage, and he lives, I don't know if it's happily ever after, but we'll talk about that. But this is the song he sang while he was going to the tree to get the transformation done. It's called Ndoda Kuzvionera. It means I want to see for myself. I'm determined. I'm gonna get this. Ndoda kuzvionera, manje ndozvionera. Ndoda kuzvionera, manje ndozvionera. There's a place the ancient ones promised. Stir it up, dear, just show me. I'm set on my mind what I want for me. Will you just for me now, dear, just show me. You can have what you will if you just go there. Is it real or just another story? There's a way, the legend is so clear. To your heart's desire that defines your dreams. If you know what you want and you make it clear. When the spirit of the savannah is near, comes the price, but I just don't care. In the end, I know this will transform me. Comes the price, but I just don't care. In the end, I know this will transform me. Ndoda kuzvionera, manje ndozvionera. Pira pa pa paira, 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 pira pa pa paira. Love, 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 be my fire, guide my feet in the dark, show me. I'm set on my mind what I want for me. Will you just for me now, dear, just show me, for me. Sticks and boulders, give me all that. You know that nothing stop a man in love, no matter what you try. And like a river, and flood you all away. I'll flood you all away. Flood you all away. Flood you all away. I'll flood you all away. Flood you all away. Flood you all away. Flood you all away. Ndoda kuzvionera, manje ndozvionera. Ndoda kuzvionera, manje ndozvionera.